Again, now with striking, distance is your friend. With grappling, distance is also your friend, but not far, close. If I want to get close, predictably, boom. Okay? So I want to get close, but not too close. Close in a safe way. That's why we do the tie-ups and pummeling. What is tie-ups? Kung mga tayo kasi sinusuntok siya, this is the tie-up. Yakap lang. Ano fancy way yung yakap? Bakit? Para makancel mo yung suntok. 1, 2, kung gusto niya lumayo, layo si Kevin, nakadikit pa rin ako. 3, if I wanna take him down, I need to do an underhook. What is an underhook, sir? Ang kamay has to go under the hook. Wow, piloso po. Kamay, pasok sa ilalim. 1, oy, meron na pala akong underhooks. Why? Since I have 2 underhooks, I could simply slide down to his base. Okay? Ang goal ko is to control his base, to squat, to use my 600 muscles to lift him up. So when I go down with the proper underhook, I am here. Pero ang goal natin, imbis na lifting, is stripping. Ulit ko lang ha. Si Kevin, naka-double underhooks, which I can't escape, right? Anong ginawa natin? Hindi ako makapamel, tama. I use my elbow, my entire base, my head, literally, to create an opening. 1, 2. So ang ending, yung tuhod na nasa malapit because we want to get close to his base quickly, I don't drop down here in the middle, I drop down in the center and get this one leg. And since I'm doing this, I'm no longer lifting, babangga na lang ako. That was technique 1. This is technique number 2. From this position, you got this 1, 2, but instead of a double, single. Anong usapan sa single? Pag double leg, perpendicular, parallel. Pag single leg, perpendicular. Pero dahil may hooking ng leg, pak! Ipasok. Okay? Tsura na. 1, 2, pasok dito, hook. Oh, sorry, tumama. Okay? From this position, bangga na tayo ng hatak na kamay, same principle. Finish. Natin. Si Kevin naka-underhook, baka i-take down niya ako anytime. Hey, pero natuto ko sa class ni Coach Jojo, how to pumel. 1, 2, instead of going in the middle, take down, I do to the side, tayo. Ito na yung technique. 1, 2 to the side, hook, bangga, finish. Okay? Sa gilid lang sa madaling salita. Imbis na ang bagsak, imbis na ang tuhod, bagsak ha, literal na ang tuhod, bagsak talaga sa ilalim ha. Baka yung tenga mo, travel time, dito na agad. Okay? Pangatlo, walang pangalawa, pangatlo na agad. Pangalawa, pag ginawa ko to, at nakaluhod ka na sa MMA, bawal ka na sa pakisampa. Alright? Here, flip forward. Out again. Dito, okay. Gusto mong salita, hindi na ako makahabol ng hangin. 1, 2, gilid. Ang hangin dahil, kung hindi man kumana, hindi kumana yung gilid. This, I could simply go for an ankle or if I could switch. Yung luhod is enough for me to work my foot to the back. Kaya, kakayanin, no choices. Let's go.